Okay, I'm trying again, the third time now, to deposit 1.7 millimeter copper wire at 30,000 RPM onto aluminum oxide to make a continuous sheet of material for making dummy die for the high-tank group. I'm using a ratio between the X and Z movement, the X and Z feed rates in my device, of 70 millimeters per minute. Of 80, a total of 80. And I'm traveling at 45 millimeters per minute of linear surface feed rate. So with no further ado, I'm going to start the motor and start the deposition. Contact. Damn it. Okay. I think that's my cue to go home. Yeah, even the camera's quitting. Alright, I'm going to call that a stop for the day and head out. Thanks for, if you've watched it this far, thanks for hanging out this long.